Making customers happy is a serious priority with us. So when one of our happy customers writes to tell us a job well done, we love sharing that. It just never gets old when our customers post these types of experiences online. We take pride in knowing we are making our customers happy. It makes us happy as we continue to work hard to provide the best service possible. Making our customer happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make our customers happy each and every day while growing our customer base. We work hard to ensure our customers are happy and satisfied with the work we do for them, and we will work hard for you. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We are excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us on the number on your screen, and we look forward to doing business with you.